Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you how to hard reset JBL Link Music Smart Speaker. So if you're looking for a way to reset your speaker here, well in this case there are a few things that you need to do here. So first thing that you want to do, or you want to ensure here, is you want to make sure that your speaker has enough power and is actually currently powered on. Now, in this case, the next thing you want to do is you want to find the microphone mute button on the back of your speaker. Now, for reference, this is what it looks like. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and basically press and hold the microphone mute button for about 14 seconds. Now, it's really important that you hold this for the whole duration. Again, 14 seconds. And after 14 seconds, the speaker will reboot and return to its factory default settings. Now, all settings, pairing history, and app connections will be erased here. Just keep that in mind. And the speaker will be ready for a fresh setup. So just like when you first bought it. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.